Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So, as you already know, today we're opening up the Allure beauty box. They changed the packaging this month. I kind of like it. The box is a little bit smaller. It's got like this, what do you call that, hollow? I don't know, but it says Allure beauty box on it. So, if you do not know what Allure beauty box is, it clearly is a beauty box as the name suggests. Your first month is $10 and then it is $15 a month thereafter. It's generally pretty good. Some months are like, you know, hit or miss, but you oftentimes get full-size items and it's only like $15 a month, so it's pretty great. I guess this month has a theme of like Allure Best of Beauty Awards. You probably have seen that before, like that logo, like when you're walking around the drugstore, like Otter or something, that like it says the Allure Beauty Awards. So like their beauty award winners like get a lot of recognition. So I'm excited to see what is in here. I have seen a couple videos or at least thumbnails, and people seem a little disappointed, so I don't know what we'll think, but anyways, I will link them down below if you're interested. I will also link down below any giveaways I have going on. At the time I'm filming this, I have two. We pretty much always have giveaways going on, but they're both beauty giveaways. One is contained in my Ipsy Plus video and one in my Box Deluxe, so I'll link those videos below. Yeah, let's get started and see what's in here. So when I open it up, this is what I see. Allure, the beauty expert, Best of Beauty Award winners. So they always have like a little pamphlet in here that tells you what's inside. So it says, inside the box, award season. Oh sure, they tell you the holidays are the most wonderful time of the year, but the month when the planet's most amazing assortment of beauty products are celebrated all in one place, that's pretty close second. I'm talking, of course, about Allure's annual Best of Beauty Awards announced this month. And in honor of this joyous season, your September box is filled exclusively with products that have won Best of Beauty in the past and still hold some buzz in our hearts and medicine cabinets. Thus, the ultimate frizz-busting shampoo, that gets into the products, so I won't keep reading that. Here is the inside. There's another piece of paper here kind of blocking everything. It says, Laura Mercier introducing new and improved tinted moisturizer, the secret to effortless skin. I wish we got actual tinted moisturizer in here. I'm a little confused about the cruelty-free status of Laura Mercier. I've heard both things, like, and I've seen cruelty-free channels using it, Laura Mercier, so if you guys know or have a good resource, please let me know. I've been cruelty-free for a little bit now, but it's still confusing sometimes. But this is just like talking about their new product. This isn't in here, but there is a Laura Mercier product, so let's start with that. This is the Laura Mercier Ready, Set, Go translucent setting powder. I have a really teeny mini of this. Let's see. Oh, and it looks like it comes with a little puff too. Let's see. But yeah, I have such a teeny little mini. Like I got in like Sephora Play or something. You know how they give you like little samples. Oh yeah, there's a little puff. Cool. I could use something like this. I never usually use the Allure puff, but I would definitely want to see how that works now that I'm using loose setting powder almost every day. But yeah, this is a pretty good size. Definitely a lot bigger than the other one I have. Let me see if I can find that. If I know where it is, I can find it. Yeah, so the past one I got is the teeny ones. This is a pretty good size. Obviously not full, but it's not like a sample. It's like travel size, I would say. So I think I've used this before, but I honestly don't know too much about it. I've heard it's like a little yellow. So for like, it's not really translucent, as you can kind of see. So I'll have to see, I might have to use it like on my face and not my under eyes if I keep this. But it looks like the full size is $39 and you can get it at Sephora. I've heard people like rave about this for a while, so I'm not surprised that it's an Allure Beauty winner. Let's move on. It looks like we've got a lot of like skincare and hair care stuff. So we've got some hair care. I honestly do not get excited about hair care. But this is shampoo and conditioner, so I will use it. This is by Perfect Smooth, color protectant, sulfate, and paraben free. This is by Nature Lab Tokyo. It's made with argon stem cell technology. I can see the cruelty-free symbol on the back. It says, achieve an inner calm with this Luxe Oil Enriched Smoothing Conditioner. Find strong hair zen with this frizz-fighting primer for smooth, flawless hair. I don't have like too frizzy of hair. Pretty flat, but I'll definitely try it. Let's see if there's a scent. Oh, it smells pretty good. There is a safety seal, which is good. but I can smell through it, so I'll get to this eventually. I always say I like to have these for like travel size, like when I actually travel. I don't have any travel plans at the moment. Well, I do, I guess, in January, but that's like, seems like a long time away, but they'll probably fly by. But anyways, let's see. Oh, the full size looks pretty cool. It's a little different. So it's $14 each, and you can get it on Amazon. Well, that's cool. $14 each for full size isn't too terrible. Next up we have a facial scrub. I could actually use this. Allure Welcome to Skin Wellness Brightening Facial Scrub. Green or sea kelp and French green clay, all skin types. So this is just a fluid ounce or 30 mLs. So this is okay to travel with if you want to. But I try and exfoliate twice a week, and I'm running low on my current exfoliant. It was like this size, but it was like not full at all. It was like the Vasanti one, which I do like, but I'm in need of this. I might have a few others in my backup drawer, but I'll try it, especially if it's like an award winner. So the full size is $9.99. The full size is 4 ounces. This is one, and you can get it at Allure.com. And there's like promo codes for I think every single item on here. So if you guys want it, just leave a comment down below. I'll share that with you. And then we have one more skincare thing, which is little teeny thing. La Roche-Posay Eczema Prone Skin Lipicar Eczema Soothing Relief Cream made with colloidal oatmeal skin protectant. I don't have eczema, but I guess this is nice to have around if you have really dry skin now that it's going to be like cooler. I mean, it's like 95 where I live. I don't know if it'll ever get super cold, but yeah, this is super tiny. I wonder if you can even see how full it is. The full size is $14.99. You can get it at their website, La Roche-Posay. So yeah, it's clinically shown to help relieve itchy, irritated skin, lipid replenishing, instant, and lasting hydration. Maybe I'll keep this for when I get like sunburn or something. I'm going out on a boat in like 2 hours, and I mean, look at me. So maybe this will come in handy, but this is not going to cover much of my body at all. It's so small, like size of my nose. Like doesn't even. Oops, dropped it. Compared to my head. No head test for that one. But last in the box is the Ciate London Dewy Sticks Luminous Highlighting Balm. I never use stuff like this, you guys. Yeah, this is the last thing. This box is a dud. I hate that. I try and be positive, you know. So this is the packaging. The packaging is cute at least. There's like little stars on it. And that is what it looks like. I have a swatch of something from my last video I just filmed, but can you even see that? Like it's, I guess I can put it on my face. Is there a smell? Kind of smells good. Can't tell. But yeah, I shouldn't have swatched it because I don't know how much use I'll get out of it, but at least we have one full-size item. It says this is enriched with Maru butter, sheer universal glow, skin conditioning with hyaluronic acid. I mean, you only put it like right here, right? Let's see what the directions say. It says glide this balm onto cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow, and anywhere light would normally hit your face. For best results when wearing over makeup, swipe fingers over the product and pat or roll over skin. Yeah, I've used stuff like this before, like, and it like moved my foundation, so that's good advice, but that's still annoying that you have to do that. It's nice that they have the cruelty-free thing on here. It says, an instant lit from within look with dewy sticks, formulated without heavy pearls and shimmer. This unique balm highlighter adds the ultimate natural looking glow and a second skin finish. So let's see how much this costs. This is $26. Wow, that's expensive, but I mean, that adds a lot of value to the box. So I'll probably use this in my next like get ready with me, so you guys can let me know how it works, because I don't want to put it on right now, because I already have some highlight on, which, whoa. I don't know, in the viewfinder it looks like, bam, love it. Okay, but let's do a quick recap. So for $15, we have the Ciate London. This is full size, I believe, so this is $26 value. And the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I bet these are like the 2 makeup items. I like that we got the little poof thing. I'll use the facial scrub, and I'll use, yeah, I mean, it's fine. I dropped this. This is just so tiny. And if it's only like $9.99, I feel like they could have given us a bigger size. Hopefully, like, if you do have eczema, this is enough to like try it out. And if you do like it, it is affordable to grab at the store. And I think they sell La Roche-Posay in Targets. I'm pretty sure I've gotten something by them there before, or gotten this in like a Target beauty box. We've gotten samples from them for a while. Like, it seems like a bougie brand, but it's kind of, you know, affordable. It's made with prebiotic thermal water, so maybe that'll help you out. But yeah, this is definitely not my favorite Allure month. At least most things seem to be cruelty free. Again, I'm confused about Laura Mercier, because some of those brands are like on the I don't know list. I'm like, what don't you know? Like, they say they are. I mean, but I guess you can't trust everyone. This is answering me. But past months were a lot better. I honestly find that the best months are when they collab with influencers. So hopefully they have a collab coming up soon. I believe I have an Allure playlist if you want to check that out if you haven't seen any of these boxes before. Those are definitely more, you know, awesome, like worth the money. This was, I guess, worth it if I use everything, because I could potentially use everything. Like, if I end up liking this glowy balm stick, it'll be worth it. But yeah, anyways, I'll stop rambling. I gotta go get my boating on. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I am going to link the website down below. They used to send a free gift when you sign up. I was told by one of you guys you don't get it anymore, and like, I have a referral link, and it says if anyone signs up for your link, you get a gift, and I've gotten that email like 20 times and I've never received one gift, so I don't know what's going on with that. But I mean, hopefully you guys are getting a gift at least with sign up. That's what they used to claim. I'm not sure if they still do, but yeah, I'll leave that down below along with my giveaway links. And all my social media handles are always down below if you want to catch up in between videos. I pretty much am always on Snapchat, and I'm on Instagram stories often as well. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!